My name is Gina Parker, and I'm running for the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals, Place 3. And just to give you a little bit about my background, I started out as a city attorney, and as a prosecuting attorney, I spent my time doing a lot of felony work. I also have a private law practice. I'm an experienced felony trial attorney, and I've handled complex criminal litigation. In addition to that, I've also served at the will of the Governor Perry and also Governor Bush. I was appointed and served on the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation. I was there for almost 8 years. I served in a quasi-judicial type position. And as a result of that, we regulated over 21 different industries in Texas. We also I heard well over 1,000 cases that were appealed to our agency. We heard the appeals from the State Office of Administrative Hearings. I'm an experienced, competent, hard-charging lawyer, and I can do the job on the Court of Criminal Appeals. But another thing I want you to remember today that's just as important as experience is that I am the constitutional conservative in this race, and values are important. In Roe v. Wade, 5 Republican judges could not decide in 1973 when life began, and they created the right of privacy based on substantive due process. So values do matter, even though they were experienced and even though they were educated. They lacked the values to make the right decision in that case. But I'm going to be a judge who is experienced and a judge who has conservative values. Justice Scalia is I guess you could say he's my hero, and I look up to him, and that's the type of lawyer and the type of judge that I want to be. I am passionately committed to upholding the rule of law, and I give you my word that I will never legislate from the bench. I have a long history of conservative credentials. I worked with Phyllis Schlafly. She was my mentor and an icon that I look up to. I was the National Judicial Reform Chairman for that national organization. I received an award for my outstanding work in support of the United States Constitution. I've spent over 30 years lecturing on important constitutional issues. I have a broad base of conservative credentials. Electability is going to be very important in this race, and those credentials are going to be important because I know how to win. I've served you at the state party level as a general counsel for the Republican Party of Texas, as a general counsel for the Texas National Hispanic Assembly, and I've also been involved locally as a president of CTRW, a women's club. I'm telling you I'm experienced and I'm committed to you, and I'm asking for your vote on March the 3rd.